How to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just open Play Store and then you have to search for Instagram and click on this update option. After you click on this update option, the problem must be solved because the problem is because you don't have the latest version of Instagram. And that's it guys. After that you have to restart your phone, and when you restart it, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.